Hello guys, this is Shumi from STalks. So let's study a techie video. It's about the Movavi video editor. Nowadays, lots of people are getting the YouTube channel and they have their own channel, and for the editing, a part of editing, they need to use a software. So the Movavi video editor, which allow you to edit any kind of videos with a full HD clarity and everything you will get. And if it's the easy stuff, easy customizable videos, you can also edit all kind of all aspects of the video with very short process. Okay, so let's see how to install this software and how to use this software. Okay, so I'm just going to the lesson. The first one is how to install this one. I already downloaded the setup file, I mean the zip file, to my desktop, and the link is the downloading link is already given in my video description. So let's see how to use this one. This is the zip file, Movavi video editor 15.1.0 plus password is education. So there must be a password for this zip file, so that maybe is education. So let's extract this file. So I repeat that I given the downloading link in my video description. So just extract this file. Yes, it is asking for the password. So the password is, it's already shown the zip file name here. Okay, the password is education. So let's type education. Education, this is the full version, I mean the paid version. Yeah, education, just press OK. Yeah, now there is the zip file. So that it's shown the 3 folders: uninstall, pro, setup plus crack. Yeah, I think this is the crack file, the crack folder, and this one is 32 bits and 64 bits. Okay, so install this with respect to your computer specification. So let's see how to check the operating system bit. I mean, this is 64-bit installation file and this one is 32-bit installation file. So let's see how can we find out that one. Just minimize this one, go to this PC plus and press the right click on that and go to the properties, and you can see, wow, this is the system information. Yeah, this is a processor Intel Arcom. That doesn't matter, just go to the system type is 64-bit operating system. Yeah, okay, so this is a 64-bit operating system, so we can go to the setup file of the 64-bit. Yeah, active files. Yeah, I think this is the crack file. Yeah, so also let's open this one. Run as administrator. Yeah, press like installation, like the every software, we can also use this one. Okay, there is a video editor, Movavi video editor plus your next step in video making. Yeah, just I accept the terms agreement and press install. Yeah, installation is under processing. Yeah, it will take much time, I think so. Yeah, it's finished. Wow, my god, that's really fast for the installation. And it's only a small folder, small file. I think the installation file is very much light. Yeah, 59 MB only, and the box is 60 MB, we can say that. So I think it's installed. Yeah, there is one shortcut in the desktop, so let's start this one. Yeah, I just opened this. I think the first time opening that file, it's like this one. Yeah, now it is 7-day trial version and there is a lot of stuffs. I mean, we can't activate this one right now. So for the activation, we need to go a crack method. So let's see how to do that. Okay, we can close this one right now. Yeah, I'm just closing this one. Close. I'm sorry guys, I closed everything and just want to crack this one. This is the crack file, I think so, the crack file. They're asking for something to follow us. How to crack Revo install Pro version 14 2019. Crack file copy in. Yeah, this is the directory. I think so. Yeah, this is the directory. We can crack this twice. Okay, I think so. Yeah, I just copied this one, and I think I need to copy these two and the one. Oh, I just pasted here this directory. Yes, no, we can't find that because there is nothing inside. So we can go to the 64-bit version and activate file with the 2 file piece there. So I'm just going to paste this on like that.
Now back to desktop and right click and go to the open file location, and this is the directory of Movavi. I minimizing that, and now go into the crack folder and open the crack file, and again copy that, and now after copying that, go and paste it on the Movavi directory. Yeah, plus they replace the file, and now after the refreshing, please just open the file. Now the app is opening. Now the application is running and it is going to open. So let's see, the whole Movavi is now become to the paid version, and no more watermarks and no more any restrictions. This is a full version, and this software interface now it's opened, and when you open the software it will show like this is the option for opening the new project, for the new editing starting. Open that. This is just advertisement, and now we can add.
To check. No any videos. Yeah, I'm sorry, no any videos. So just add your videos here, and I will come with another video for the editing, for the whole editing tutorial of the Movavi video editor. So guys, I'm signing off. Please subscribe my channel, and I'm just expecting all your likes and everything to my channel. So thank you. See you in another video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.